You don't post much. You don't talk too much. You don't explain yourself. And suddenly, they're curious. They start watching you closer. They wonder what you're thinking, what you're planning, what you're hiding. They can't read you, and it drives them crazy. That's the power of mystery. And today, you're going to learn how to own it, to become the kind of person who says little, but gets everyone's attention. Here's the truth. People crave what they can't predict, what they can't fully understand. We've been trained to overshare, post everything, explain everything, talk. But when you don't, when you hold back just a little, you become rare, interesting, magnetic. Because mystery isn't about being distant, it's about being unreadable by design, and that's what makes people obsess. Step 1. Say less, mean more. Most people talk to fill silence. You let silence build tension. You speak with purpose, few words, clear, direct. Then you stop, and in that pause, people wonder, what else are you thinking? What aren't you saying? Why are you so calm? They don't realize that's exactly what you wanted. Mysterious people don't overshare. They let others connect the dots incorrectly. Step 2. Keep your personal life personal. They don't need to know where you're going, who you're with, what your next move is. Post less, talk less, move more. Let people guess what you're up to. Let them speculate. Let them ask questions you never answer. You're not hiding. You're protecting your energy. And the less they know, the more they obsess. Because mystery creates value. Familiarity kills it. Step 3. Don't explain your vibe. Some days you're smiling, some days you're quiet, some days you disappear for a while. And people will ask, are you okay? What's wrong? Why are you so off today? Say less. Smile. Change the subject. Walk away. The goal isn't to be cold. It's to be unreadable. They don't get access to your mind unless you invite them in. And even then, only part of it. Mystery is power. Because when they can't figure you out, they fixate. Step 4. Master unpredictability. Routine makes people predictable. Predictable people are forgettable, so break the pattern. Say no when they expect yes. Change plans last minute. Disappear for a few days without explanation. And when you show up again, act like nothing happened, like that's just who you are. People will adjust, but they'll also start watching you closer. Because unpredictability triggers curiosity, and curiosity breeds attraction. Final step, make your silence louder than their noise. Everyone else is loud. Posting, explaining, oversharing, trying to prove how happy they are, how successful, how perfect. You move in silence. You show little. You reveal even less. And because you're not constantly talking, everything you do say hits harder. Your silence creates tension. Your words carry weight. Your moves spark rumors. And behind all of it, you stay calm, collected, unbothered. Because mystery isn't about hiding. It's about owning the power of not being understood. So don't explain your every thought. Don't post your every move. Don't tell the world who you are. Show them. Slowly, piece by piece, layer by layer, on your terms. Be so calm, so unreadable, so unpredictable that they can't stop thinking about you, wondering about you, talking about you. Let your mystery drive them wild. Let your silence make them obsessed. Be so mysterious. It drives them crazy.